into this scary place that I call my space. So I'm in a really type of headspace right now where I'm just like stressed. I feel overwhelmed. The one thing that's been on my list for literally the past 2 weeks is a deep spring cleaning. Something that probably has made me want to get this done so badly is the fact that I've been addicted to cleaning videos recently. Like, I will literally be watching cleaning TikToks to fall asleep. And it's putting me in this like, oh my God, I need to have this beautiful clean space. And currently this is what we're looking like. A lot going on in this room. And honestly, if you've followed me for a long time, you'll know I've moved a lot in my life. So I've had to like release and purge a lot of my things, but I've lived here now for maybe like 4 or 5 years, and I filled this room up a lot. And it's not only my like bedroom, but also my office because I work primarily from home. There's just a lot happening and I need it to be like purged. Like genuinely, I need to do my closet. I need to do under my bed. I have so many things under there. I don't even know what's under there. Like move some things down to the basement that I don't need. I want to make my life so clean and neat and organized that I can streamline the process of my life and I'm not wasting time every day like hurtling through a mess. I don't know if that's toxic because it's like, just take it easy. Like not everything has to be perfect, but I think I'm in that era of my life where like everything does need to be perfect. So let's get started. Okay, so I need to start with like a general clean of my space. This is like the minor step where it's like the baby stuff. I just need to put things away. These are actually clean sheets, surprisingly. Okay, let's log in. Let's log in. These best sheets freaking suck. Like, what is this? Oh my God, I can't. Okay, welcome to the floor. We are going to attack these side drawers. The rest of my drawers have clothing. I have my desk drawer up there, but I organized that one kind of recently. So also, I literally have no good show that I'm watching right now. I was watching Temptation Island. So I kind of want to like watch a show right now while I'm doing all of this. Only thing that I can watch currently is, drumroll please, XO Kitty. Yes, I've watched all the seasons. It's really gotten to that point where I'm watching XO Kitty. So if that tells you anything about where I'm at. Okay, so what's happening? Oh. Okay, this is where it's gonna get a little bit messier because I have a bunch of stuff I need to take out from under my bed, things I just need to reorganize, dust off, like find a proper place for it. I've set aside some things, like this is literally an old journal, an old hard drive, old USB things that I don't actually know what's on it, but I'm gonna put it in like a box where I'll put it in my basement, and that's a later issue for future Alex. But I'm very big on memory boxes and I literally have like 2 under my bed already. So I need to like get to like figuring this all out. And I have like so much equipment under my bed, believe it or not. Green screens, my podcast equipment. Like I need like a whole studio at this point. This show is so not good. Look how much recycling I have already. Justin Bieber. Gonna save this one for the world tour. So this is a box Margot sent me for my birthday. If you guys don't know, Margot's my bestie, but we're long distance besties. So she literally sent me the like most heartfelt, sweetest, like literally has pictures of us on it. Like it's the cutest thing in the world, but I can't like keep this box in my room forever. So it is officially gonna be the new memory box. I have a bunch of old yearbooks and stuff, so I'm gonna put them in here and then those can go in the basement. Oh my God, there's so much dust. Here's another memory box. Oh my God, who is she? Okay, maybe I'm gonna put this stuff in there, see if it fits. Because I also just have a bunch of Halloween costumes. Like this is Halloween stuff, this is Halloween stuff. Maybe I'll make a separate box with just Halloween things. Look how many diaries I've been through. Look at this shit. Drinking buddy drink markers. I need to keep this. Oh, my very first actual journal, a Bratz one. My high school uniform. My high school grad cap. Okay, this is basically full now. You thought it was over. There's another side of the bed. This has got to go. I have lights. Like, can you imagine, like, who does this? Like, who puts this much shit under their beds? Like, something's wrong with me. This is my more of my Halloween stuff, my other stuff. So I'm actually gonna transfer this into the other big box, and that can be all my Halloween goodies. I'm gonna take the vacuum under here, and it's actually gonna be so satisfying to see all of the dust. All right, I found a place for relatively everything. Some of the things are gonna go back under my bed, like equipment that I'm gonna need throughout the year and Halloween costume stuff, because I just feel like that's easy. Oh, nice. I'm gonna vacuum just under my bed and see what I get. It's currently empty, okay? So look, let's see. Oh my gosh, are you joking? This is actually filthy. That is so yuck. I actually can't believe that was living underneath me. That is so nasty. And that's not even me vacuuming like everything, because I obviously have shit all over the place, so I'm not gonna do that yet. I just had some lunch. We're on a little bit of a time crunch, so I'm really hoping I can do like a good job before I need to leave. I have a nail appointment. Look at these shits. Literally last time I got them done was for my birthday, and you guys saw what they looked like before that. I don't know why I'm waiting so long in between appointments lately. We're gonna get into the closet now, which, you know, I was afraid to do initially, but honestly, my closet's not that bad because I kind of regularly do like a purge and I get rid of clothes that I know that I won't be using. And I'm also just gonna reorganize. Okay, this is where the real mess is. I have so many hoodies and like a bunch of random clothes that I need to organize. This is my gym bag, which doesn't even fit. A lot of this is gonna be donated for sure, but some of these things I do wear and they just need to be organized properly. Ignore my hair. Honestly, I just need it out of my face. I don't even care. We have made it past the organization and I'm actually very happy with it. I feel like I did a good job, but now we need to get into the actual gross part, which is cleaning. I literally brought some gloves out. You would be so surprised. Okay, yeah, my hair actually is insane. You would be so surprised to know that I actually, every time I clean, I cut myself. I literally shredded a piece of my skin off on my thumb, which you're not gonna be able to see, but because of all the cardboard boxes that I was messing with under my bed, put some gloves on to protect my skin from literally burning off with the chemicals. So we're gonna do this. I'm gonna do my bathroom. Guys, I'm literally washing my gloves. So I'm like, how am I supposed to touch anything after that? Okay, my tub. Oh my God, I'm tired. I don't even know what time it is. My tub, I clean already weekly, so I'm gonna do a really rough clean of it. Fake and I did such a like deep clean, and like I could do so much more. I could be washing these curtains that definitely need a wash. God, I do not have time for this shit. Like I already spent the whole entire day doing what I just did today, and like I could do more. Like that's actually so wild. Okay, the only thing in here is dust from the corners of the bathroom, but we will see how much dust and hair I get from the whole bathroom and the rest of the room apart from underneath the bed. Guys, we did it. Let me show you. This is how much we got. So honestly, it's a lot, but it's nothing I haven't seen before, and it's actually less than what was under my bed. So that just goes to show I don't think I vacuumed under my bed once since I've lived in this house. Maybe I have actually, because I've moved my room around, like my bed around, but like that's probably the last time I vacuumed under my bed. So if today's a reminder of anything, it's to vacuum under your bed, y'all. But anyways, I'm done. I'm so exhausted. But that was like a solid 5 hours of cleaning, and I'm pretty proud of myself. There's something to say about cleaning and mental clarity, because I started the day off so much more stressed out and overwhelmed, and like now I'm feeling kind of zen, I'm not gonna lie. Thank you guys so much for joining me. I hope this was inspiration for you guys to go ahead and start deep cleaning and spring cleaning. If it wasn't, then I hope you enjoyed watching it the same way I love watching cleaning videos. So I love you guys. Subscribe, stay along for the journey of me and all the random shit that I film in my life. Love you guys. Bye.